Start recording.
Okay, what I'm doing right now is I'm charging up these batteries right here on this USB plug strip, so you can charge up your cell phone. And what you do to check the voltage, you're going to get a multi-meter like this and turn the dial until you get to 20. Okay? It's for this kind of helicopter here. The MD-169 patrol helicopter, and it's the batteries for this type of helicopter. Okay? You can see what I'm talking about. Okay? Well, here they are right here. This is the C189 Coast Guard, and this is the gunship for MD-500 C189. Okay. Right now they're on charge. Right now, see that red light? That red light's supposed to go out when it's fully charged, but for some reason they're not doing that. So I'm gonna have to show you how to check these with your multimeter. So what you got to do, I ain't gonna actually do it because I got to hold the camera. You got to turn the see this inside here. You got to stick your probes in here on the red on the right, like that. Okay. And you get your black. And place it here both at the same time, red and here, and keep pushing it in until you get a reading over here. And don't go over, and check your charge, you don't go over 8.40 amps in there, well, milliamps inside this 2-cell battery. It's a 7.4 1200 milliamp battery. So it's just, and I got it on a trickle charge. I've got a trickle charging right now. Well, it's kind of like a trickle charge, but I've got this food timer here, and it'll go up to 60 minutes, so you can run this for about 4 hours to get a full charge for all these batteries. And sometimes they won't go all the way up, come all the way back up, and they won't fly as long. I mean, you got maybe 13 minutes out of one battery. And some of the other batteries will go over 8.07. That makes it gives you a little bit more flight time. But these batteries only last so long, and those red lights are not working properly. So I make this video just kind of give you an idea how you can check them. Right here, get your probe one here, and one right there, and keep moving it back and forward until you get a reading over here. And see, that's where you set your dial at on your multimeter. Okay, that's it. Thank you. There you go. Hope that helps you out on those batteries.